The real estate index has been the best performing sector, giving returns of over 130% in FY24. In this video, we will cover the growth of India's real estate sector, factors leading to the growth and future potential, the top real estate and construction stocks, and lastly, sub-sector and stocks which are set to benefit from the growth of this industry. As of now, real estate accounts to 7% of India's GDP and it is set to reach 15% by 2047. In 2022, the total homes sold were worth around 2.2 lakh crores. This number has now increased to 4.5 lakh crores in 2023. Indian real estate market cap right now is $477 billion and it is set to touch $5.8 trillion by the year 2047. Now, what are the three main factors behind this rapid growth? Economic growth, foreign markets, and government support. So first has to be India's growing economy with growing middle class and the rise in their disposable incomes. An example is more than 1100 flats in Gurgaon worth rupees 7200 crores sold out in just 2 weeks. Then RBI has kept interest rates unchanged for a while, which makes credit cheaper, which leads to more people buying houses. Then in foreign markets, US Fed has also announced to have 3 rate cuts this year, which is a huge news and it indicates an even better future for this sector. So FIs in the first half of 2023 invested $4 billion into India. Half of this entire amount went to real estate. So why are they so interested in India? The answer is simple. A growing economy with a stable government and more opportunities. China's housing market crash has also made India an even better place for FIs to invest their money. Along with all of this, there's also massive support from the government with many housing-related schemes. For example, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which helps in providing home loans at cheaper rates. Then additional benefits are also there for first-time homeowners like tax deductions. Now the main question is, in which stocks should we invest from this sector? My first pick is Purawankara. The company is in the business of development and sale of real estate, focusing both on luxury housing, commercial offices and affordable housing. The stock P is quite high at 70 versus industry P of 29.7. Operating profit margins at 22%. They stay consistent between 20 to 30%. Promoter holding is at 75%. Second is Ganesh Housing, which is one of the largest land banks in Ahmedabad of 500 acres. The company is almost debt free. The stock P is 16 versus industry P of 33. Operating profit margin stands at 75%. Year-on-year increased revenue में है 171% और EBITDA growth में है 192% to 1398 million rupees. Third is Macrotech Developers or the Ola Group, which is one of the largest real estate developers which operates in the Mumbai metropolitan region and holds more than 10% market share. They have 33 operating projects and has a presence across luxury, premium, mid-income and affordable segment with 60% revenue coming just from affordable and mid-income segments. The PE ratio stands at 68.3 versus industry PE of 33. Fourth is DLF. Almost everybody knows about it. So DLF Limited was the only Indian real estate company to be included in the Dow Jones Sustainability Index. The P ratio stands at 98 versus industry P of 29.7. Free cash flow is 2321 crores. It's almost debt free and there's a 26% increase in net profit year on year. Fifth is NCC, a small cap company that operates in the building and housing segment along with construction of roads, highways, mining and railways. The company has big clients like Airport Authority of India, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation, Reserve Bank of India, etc. As of December of 2023, their order book is at the highest ever level of 62,000 crores. Its P ratio stands at just 22.7 versus industry P of 33. Sixth is NBCC, which comes under the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This company operates in 3 major segments: project management consultancy, engineering procurement and construction, and real estate. Its P ratio stands at 55.3 versus industry P of 40.4. Interest coverage is more than 53,000. It has an order book of more than 55,000 crores as of now, and sales growth year on year is 20%. Now the last segment is of subsectors and stocks which can also benefit from the growth in this industry. First is the cement sector. अब obviously real estate construction बढ़ेगा तो cement sector भी बढ़ेगा. India is the second biggest producer of cement in the world. अब although recently cement के prices थोड़े नीचे गिरे हैं, but long term में there won't be any major impact. Few cement stocks that you can look into are JK Lakshmi Cement, Orient Cement, Ambura Cements, and obviously Ultratech Cement. The next subsector is steel. In 2022, India became the world's second largest steel producer, and now it is all set to become the second largest steel consumer. इसमें there are stocks like JSW Steel, Hindalco Industries, and and Tata Steel, which recently gave a nice breakout. Other stocks involved in building material are NMDC, MMP Industries, and Indian Metals and Ferroalloys. The last subsector is of housing finance. So affordable housing has been a top priority of the government. Recently, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman made an announcement of a new scheme to empower the middle class to purchase or construct their own homes. This created a boost in the housing finance industry. Some stocks of this sector are Housing and Urban Development Corporation or HUDCO and Home First Finance Company. The next video comes on Thursday. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find this helpful.